Hi traders, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. To kick off the week on Monday, traders will pay attention to the Asian session with the release of the TD Securities Inflation Report from Australia. Some say that the RBA may cut interest rates further on the back of low inflation figures, so this news will be closely monitored and we expect volatility in the Australian dollar. On Tuesday, the focus will again be on Australia, with the release of an interest rate decision from the RBA followed by a monetary press conference. No changes in rates are expected, but the following statement will be closely monitored for signs of the bank's future movements, and we expect volatility and trading opportunities in the Australian dollar. In the European session, we'll see industrial production figures from Germany, which hit the market at 0.4% last month and were well up on the previous month's numbers, and a continuation of this trend should lend some support to the euro. On Wednesday, the focus will again be on the Asian session in China with the release of import, export and trade balance figures. Analysts are beginning to believe that the world's second largest economy is head for a slowdown, so we expect interest surrounding this news as well as quite a bit of movement in the Chinese yuan. On the border of Wednesday going into Thursday, we'll see the release of the latest interest rate decision from the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, followed by a monetary press statement. There is still a chance that the central bank may decide to cut rates to give a boost to the economy, so this news will generate a lot of interest and we expect extreme volatility in the New Zealand dollar. On Thursday, during the European session, we'll see import, export and trade balance figures from Germany, which should present some shopping opportunities in the European currency. In the American session, the market will await key real estate data from Canada as the new housing price index hits the market and creates some trading opportunities in the Canadian dollar. On Friday, the focus will be on the Asian session in Australia with the release of the home loans figure as well as a monetary statement from the Reserve Bank of Australia. As was mentioned earlier, a rate cut from the RBA is not out of the question in the future, so the tone of the speech will generate a lot of interest, and we expect plenty of movement and trading opportunities in the Australian dollar. In the American session, we'll see the latest unemployment rate and job participation figures from Canada. The jobless figure stands at 6.9% at the moment, and traders long in the Canadian dollar would like to see a reduction in this figure, which may help the Canadian dollar finish the week on a strong note. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.